Hello friends, today we are going to see that how to add uh, sh the shapes, and after that what we can do. So in shapes you want to take the color, yes you can do it with the help of the coding. So let us start. So first of all we will go to the Visual Basic Power Pack, sorry. In that oval shape I am taking. You just see that I have taken the oval shape. I can maximize the size of it. Okay, and just do this thing. Okay, and then I will take the color over there, right? So I will just take the color. For the colors we will take first of all the buttons. Why? Because we want to give the event over there, right? So let us see first. I'll just take two buttons and I will explain you over here. Okay, right now what we will do, we will change the properties of it. Here you can see button 1, right? So we'll just take it over here as red color, and then button 2, which we will take it to the green color. Okay, done. Now what we can do, we will go for the shape. You will do the selection of the shape and you will turn it the fill color to transparent. Why transparent? Because we wanted that it may look transparent over there at the first, right? And then we have to change the style to solid colors instead of transparent. So this you have to keep it in mind, the settings. आपको ये settings ध्यान में रखना है. And then now we will start the programming. So we will just go to this part, the coding view, and now what we will do, we will go for button 1, and in that the event that is click. Okay, so when we will click on that button, what will happen? So it will change the shape of it. So oval shape, right? Our control is oval shape. In that fill color, so the color will be filled over there. Color dot red. Okay, done. Now we will just see over here that how the output will be coming over here. Okay, so this way your output will come. Next we can give it for the button 2. So what we will do, we will go again to this part. We will do the selection of button 2 and then the event that is click. Buttons are not stopped. Yes. Okay. So button 2 and in that click. Okay, now what we will do, we will do the selection from here. We can make it a copy of it. Please keep it in mind that you will just make a copy of the inside coding but not the events. Okay, you will not take the events, copy उसका नहीं करोगे आप लोग. ठीक है. Now instead of red we have taken a green color, right? So we'll just go for the green color. You can see over here the green color. Okay, and then we will run the program as we have completed. Now you just see red and your green, red, green. This way you can make it of different colors, right? Now what we can do, we can also go for the another option, that is the another event. I will show you over here. That is button, and in that, when you will click, sorry, in that we'll go for mouse over. Okay, mouse over means when you will keep the mouse over there, at that time what will happen? So here we are going to do it, that me बैक कलर. वाई मी बैक कलर? मी इज फॉर द फॉर्म, राइट? तो आपका जो फॉर्म का जो डिजाइन है उसमें बैकग्राउंड कलर जो है दैट विल बी चेंज. ओके, सो द बैकग्राउंड कलर यू वांट टू चेंज इट, you will go by color dot. I'm taking over here purple. Okay, done. Now what will happen? Just see. I've just moved the mouse. You just see the form color is changed. When I will click it, red color here, and this will be green color. Okay. Hope you all have understand. Thank you.